So, the next time you visit Vietnam, be sure to indulge in its culinary delights and experience the country's rich food scene. Besides the traditional cuisine, Vietnam also offers a variety of modern and fusion dishes. Vietnam has a growing food industry that is constantly experimenting with new flavors and ingredients, creating innovative dishes that blend the traditional with the modern. Vietnamese chefs are gaining international recognition for their unique and creative approach to cooking. Moreover, food is not just limited to restaurants in Vietnam. There are also many cooking classes and food tours available for visitors to learn more about Vietnamese cuisine. These experiences provide an opportunity to learn about the ingredients and techniques used in Vietnamese cooking and offer a chance to taste and cook the dishes yourself. These experiences provide an opportunity to learn about the ingredients and techniques used in Vietnamese cooking and offer a chance to taste and cook the dishes yourself. Additionally, Vietnamese cuisine is not only limited to meat-based dishes. There are also many vegetarian and vegan options available, especially in the Buddhist temples and vegetarian restaurants. Many Vietnamese dishes are naturally vegetarian or vegan, and the use of fresh herbs and spices ensures that even the simplest dishes are full of flavor. Lastly, Vietnamese cuisine has also been recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage. The recognition highlights the importance of Vietnamese cuisine and its role in the country's cultural identity. The recognition has also helped to promote Vietnamese cuisine on the global stage and attract more visitors to Vietnam. In summary, exploring Vietnamese cuisine is a fascinating and delicious experience. From the traditional dishes to the modern and fusion cuisine, Vietnam offers a unique blend of flavors and ingredients that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. From the traditional dishes to the modern and fusion cuisine, Vietnam offers a unique blend of flavors and ingredients that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. So, if you are a food lover, Vietnam is definitely a destination that should be on your list. The most famous Vietnamese dishes. Pho. Pho is a popular noodle soup that originated in northern Vietnam. It is made with a clear broth made from beef or chicken bones, rice noodles, and various cuts of meat, such as beef brisket, meatballs, or chicken. The soup is typically served with a plate of fresh herbs, including Thai basil, coriander, and bean sprouts, which are added to the soup to enhance the flavor. Pho is a comfort food for many Vietnamese and is often eaten for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Banh mi. Banh mi is a Vietnamese sandwich that is a perfect example of the fusion of Vietnamese and French cuisine. The sandwich is made with a crusty French baguette and filled with a variety of ingredients, such as grilled pork, pâté, pickled vegetables, cilantro, and chili peppers. Banh mi is a popular street food in Vietnam and is also served in many Vietnamese restaurants around the world. Bun cha. Bun cha is a grilled pork dish that is popular in Hanoi, the capital city of Vietnam. The dish is made with grilled pork patties, served with a bowl of vermicelli noodles, fresh herbs, and a dipping sauce made with fish sauce, vinegar, sugar, and chili peppers.